Chocolate lovers, cookie lovers, this one's for you. This giant New York cookie has a secret hiding in the middle. Golden and crispy on the outside, soft, creamy and packed with chocolate on the inside. Every bite melts in your mouth and the smell alone is absolutely irresistible. Brown 240 grams of butter until it melts, foams, and turns beautifully golden brown. Trust me, the aroma is incredible. Keep stirring until the milk solids are beautifully toasted and the butter develops that amazing nutty flavor. Transfer the brown butter to a bowl and let it cool completely. Now add 170 grams of brown sugar and 110 grams of white sugar and mix for just about 30 seconds. Now add 2 large eggs and an extra yolk, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and mix for about 30 seconds. Don't overmix, we are not looking to whip in air. A whisk also works perfectly here. Add 420 grams of all-purpose flour in 3 additions, then go in with 4 grams baking powder, 7 grams baking soda, 12 grams cornstarch, and 6 grams of salt. Gently fold everything together using a whisk or a spatula until no dry flour remains. The dough will keep getting thicker as you go until it turns into a soft, slightly sticky cookie dough. Gently fold everything together just until the flour disappears. Don't overmix. Now fold in 70 grams of chocolate chips and 100 grams of chopped dark chocolate. Just mix until everything is evenly spread. Don't overwork the dough. You can bake it after just an hour of resting, but if you want, let it chill in fridge for up to 12 hours for better flavor and texture. Line the bottom of your pan with parchment paper. Now spread 300 grams of Nutella in an even layer, about 3 centimeters smaller than base of your pan. Put it in the freezer and let it firm up completely. After freezing, it will easily release from the parchment paper. Line your springform pan with parchment paper. Press about 60% of the cookie dough into the bottom and slightly up the sides. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to check out my other videos. Now, place the frozen Nutella disc on top. Cover it with the remaining 40% of the dough and press the edges to seal it in completely and smooth over any cracks on the surface. Bake at 165 to 170 degrees Celsius, bottom heat with fan for 25 to 30 minutes. Let it cool for 35 minutes after baking and then enjoy!